Oh, Abby, who's here? Abby, who is it?
Huh?
Who is it? Who do you have?
Oh, no, it's just me.
Okay, she obviously has a boy over. Time to mess with her. Abby, I know you took my foot fungus cream. I need that back, dude.
Please stop.
Abby, literally just admit that you have a boy over and I'll stop messing with you.
Please don't tell Mom. Leave me alone.
Just make sure there's none of that premarital hugging stuff, all right?
Jake, stop!
Abby, I thought you weren't into guys.
This man had sex with a dolphin. In 1971, Malcolm Brenner performed multiple sexual acts on a dolphin named Dolly before being arrested by Florida police. Sadly, after his arrest, Dolly committed suicide by swimming to the bottom of her enclosure and holding her breath.
Asking people unanswerable questions, part 3. Let's get it.
If I swallow wood glue and an android is my last name, haircuts do not go to prom.
None of that makes sense.
What do you mean?
You said Android.
It makes sense. Y'all really don't get it?
I don't get it.
What does that have to do with tomorrow?
I don't know.
You didn't
Yesterday?
mention tomorrow.
Teeth?
I don't know.
Huh? Duck? Mighty? Oh. What is the code to my orange if Oprah cancels her show?
Whale penis. Yes?
You said yes?
Yeah.
If tomorrow was today, then how do I buy something for free?
Well, what is it? I don't get it.
How do children move on a day of summer without more than one?
Wait, what?
How do children move on a day of summer without more than one?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know? What they got to do with spaghetti?
Bruh. You can do it.
Lasagna? No, how you tie your shoes? What?
Authentic or nothing.
Baby mama ain't shit. She won't let me see my son.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Yes, you. Yes, you, sir. What if dreams are just episode recaps of when we were not born, before life?
What you say? That you only meant. I want revenge, I can't fake it. I see the look on your face when I drop my clothes and I get naked. Not for you, but for him.
So I strutted up to the dance floor and I took off my earrings. I did a kick into a split and showed him what he was missing. Like, do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
Dude, this is super easy. Ready? Allow car!
That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Yeah, I said do that, baby, all night long. And I'ma turn off all my phones. You know I hate it when I'm left on red. But he make it all up in the bed. And it take me, I'm dining on none but the best. He got off-white, on right. Damn, he could dress, making plans from the east, making bands in the west. Rockstar, black beetle type, bands on his dread. And baby, I want it, and I just be honest, cause I just can't front when I look at you. Just keep it 100 when I throw these hundreds. I hope that your ass gon' know what to do. That's my way, do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid.
Under pressure. Name her Pat. I'm smoking pressure.
Yo, we all know that one kid that sits at the back of the classroom and does this with their AirPods. Yeah, my net worth? Yeah, 2.5 mil, no biggie. You know this dude thinks he looks like this. Judge, if you may inquire, the accumulation of my assets is $2.5 million.
Top 10 worst feelings is when you get something stuck in your eye, like an eyelash, bro. Because you don't know where it's at, and you try to pick it, and it's not going anywhere. So you need your homeboy to really like mess with it, bro. Can you hold on? Yeah. Can you blow on it, eh? I'm trying to blow on it. What do you mean? He's still.
Hey, sir, welcome in.
Don't know how to talk to her. She keeps like leaving me on red, and I'm just so confused. And it's kind of
yeah, Alex. Literally, all you have to do is just walk out there and go, aha.
You guys are so gay.
And who's that? Oh, it's Mr. MVP, Sim!
It's hard waking up every day and still being fucking ugly. That shit get old, like.
Oh my god.
My loneliness is fine with me, and I might take a nap or watch TV. Watch TV!
Good. I ain't swallowed one kid. I think I swallowed twins. Hug me. Fuck me. Daddy better make me so. Fuck me. Fuck me. My tunnel love. Go now. Go, go.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Static treated, we get stripped. Static kisses, we get kicked. It's a hard knock life. I need to get by.
Something for your mind.
Oh my god, 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 oh, he's coming. Oh my god, 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 oh no. The key! What? 7 plus 4? I don't know, is it 9? What? How can 7 plus 4 be 9? Use your fingers! I don't have enough fingers! It's 11! Run it down! I can't see!
Focus on the mission, put my intermission. Never take a break. We can pull up. Switch states, touchdown foreign plates. Ain't no way, ain't no fucking way.
Gucci Mane 2000.
They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, OJ, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we said
On a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive am I?
I'm taken.
No, right, of course. No hate to Chase, I'm just saying. 1 out of 10.
I don't know what to say.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive am I?
Like a 6.
Why?
6.5.
Why?
Your height is good.
Okay.
I prefer darker haired boys over blonde boys. So.
All right. Well, hey, man, I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive am I?
Boyfriend! I'm nervous. She's gonna walk away.
Dobby, blue, blue.
Alright, sir, I'm gonna be your doctor today. Alright. Well, first let me start off by checking your reflexes. Is that okay? Yep. Okay. Don't try and move anything, just whatever comes naturally. Okay. Ready?
I don't know. I'm fresh out of ideas. You got any more ideas for animals? Yes. What if baby saxophones could swim? Yeah, maybe we should take a break. And it's only the males who get pregnant.
Drop out like MVP. I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What was you thinking?
Well, actually, according to my calculations, it should take about 2.3 seconds for the ball to travel to the area, allowing the ball to go through the net. Oh shit.
Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! No!
Is it legal to go to your local preschool and kidnap a child and pick it up as if it was your own kid? Yes, it is. Shut up! According to Article 15 of the Fifth Amendment, by law you are allowed to do this.
This self-balancing thief was captured on supermarket CCTV stealing a crate of sports drinks. The footage clearly shows a man riding a hoverboard into a shop in Mitcham in South London and then casually riding out.
Damn! Why this loud bitch gotta bring that shit over here? Okay, well maybe she won't see me. Somebody help me! Brenda! Oh, shit! She stole me! Thank you, okay, now let that shit just mutilate her white ass and leave. Bitch, please die. Oh my God, Brenda, we're gonna die. It would have just been you if you would have just shut the fuck up. Someone's coming.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
Okay, look, does this or does this not make me a bad parent? Story time. Last week, my son had parent-teacher conferences. He's 3. I didn't know they did parent-teacher conferences for kids in preschool, but like whatever. So we get there, I ask all the usual questions, how's my son doing? How are his grades, I guess? And like, what is his temperament like? So the teacher goes, He's a great boy, except there's just one thing. His behavior. Not gonna lie, I was low-key scared because I thought that the teacher saw my story time I did about how I accidentally on purpose pushed my son into the little girl that pushed him, but she started it. It's cool, we got lucky she didn't see that story. So I reversed course. I was like, so like, what do you mean his behavior? Like, is he peeing on people or is his hand just in his pants all the time? Because he definitely did not learn that from me. She was like, no, that's not what I'm saying. He is explosive. She then told me this kid Victor tried to take a toy from my son, JR. And JR said, no steal toy, Victor. Yo, I was so proud. It was
Jesus Christ. What are you doing? What? I'm busy. Can't you see I'm doing something?
What do you want me to say?
I'm in the middle
What do you want me to
of
say?
something, you are in the way.
Meow. Fucking meow, dude. I don't... Oh my god. Meow. 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 Oh my god. Meow. 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 What? Fuck you.
Some guys will just show up and be like, ooh, what that mouth do? Eat. I am a fat bitch. Unless you are able to provide me with an entire rotisserie chicken and ice cream anytime I ask you for one, just like Willy Wonka and his Oompa Loompas, remove yourself from my DMs. Otherwise, I am going to shove an entire ironing board into your penis.
Why are you always so quiet? Me? Yeah, you never talk. Oh, I talk, just not to you.
No, by now.
Bring the beat life like Jorno. Young gang star flip the kill switch. Jojo, pose, pose, pose. Jojo, pose, pose, pose. Jojo.
Google Tricks Day 33. Type in quick draw with Google. Click the top link, and now we play a drawing game. Draw a balloon in under 20 seconds. Okay, so Google will guess while I draw.
Circle, or comet, or potato, or hot air balloon, or necklace.
Using American terms in a London accent. Part 2. Bro. You really think I'll do that to you? Bro, you know you're my dog. Hey, bro. Do you want a soda?
Ayo. Hey, dude.
Huh? How many views? Yeah, 4 million. Yeah, bro, come on, you already know. Yes, sir.
First. 3 things that'll make you never come to Australia. Number 3. Living with spiders. These huntsman spiders will always find a way to get inside your house. Yes, they're fucking big and scary, but they're harmless. Just don't fuck with them and you'll be fine. See? These two are having a little nap together. Isn't that fucking cute? Number 2. Snakes in the dunny. For some reason, snakes just love to hide in our toilets. So just check it before you use it, alright? Nothing would fuck your day up more if you go to take a shit and a snake bites you on your sphincter. Number 1. Unexpected visitors. If you're living in the outback, any type of creature could come knocking at your door. It could be a goanna, could be a crocodile, could be a kangaroo. It could be anything. So if you value your life, don't answer the front door, mate.
Pull up on the scene, I ain't getting home, nigga, what the hell it mean?
Beyond, hey, hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey.
Gave you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I give you all my love. You treat me right, baby. I give you 1, 2, 3, fuck it. My darling, I love you. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time. You really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm saying. I got to do.
Grab one piece of paper, fold it once, fold it twice, fold it in half. Get these 2 flaps up. All right, now you're ready. All you gotta do is you bring it up and bring it down.
Ben, Rod.
I've been coolin', laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running.
Going downhill, it's wiping out. Meanwhile, I'm turned as fuck.
I didn't leave my pizza in the oven long enough. She is very undercooked.
Over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes,